Hi guys, so how to fix Instagram error problem? Open settings, go to the apps like this, go to Instagram and click on notifications management. Make sure that every single notification right here is enabled as you can see. After that, go back, I'm sorry, okay, go back to the Instagram app informations, click on the storage or the internal storage. Click on clear data, click on delete, go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless add networks, enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds and disable it. And then open the Play Store, search for Instagram and update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.